During this screen recording, I want to demonstrate the skills that I've acquired through conducting a literature review during my time as a graduate assistant under Dr. Wu. It's important to note that through this experience, I have come to understand the concept of evidence-based practice and how important it is to be able to effectively locate, retrieve, and organize references using a program called RefWorks to support your research question. So to start off, I'm here at the Winston-Salem State University website, where you can just go to Academics in the O'Kelly Library tab, scroll down to the databases. So first I want to demonstrate how to find a reliable journal article to support the research question using the database on the Winston-Salem State Library website. So the first research question, for example, was what student characteristics and/or predictive variables correlated with successful completion of Level 2 fieldwork. So down here you can search for a specific database if you have one in mind, which I came to rely on Sinhall. And then you click Connect, and you just have to sign in to access it. And it'll take you to the website where you can search in the toolbar, or if you want to use the advanced search option, which I found to be most useful, that will also be okay. So here you have an option to type in the keywords that you're searching for, which I found that the AND option really helped to narrow down the search. So I would type in student success, any keywords that you think will help retrieve articles for your research question, fieldwork, and occupational therapy. And so these are only going to pull articles that have these three keywords. To narrow down the search even further, you can scroll down and make sure it is a research article. And I like to click full text to make sure you can access it. You can narrow down more options as well, as you can see language, publication type, age, even age groups. So those things could be helpful as well. Click search, and let's take this first one for example: occupational therapy students' self-efficacy, experience of supervision, and perception of meaningfulness of Level 2 fieldwork. So you can click on this and it'll say you have the full text. The source is the Open Journal of Occupational Therapy, so that seems reliable. You can read a little bit about the abstract here, see when it was conducted. So looks like it was 2017, so it's recent. It looks like a good article to use as an example, so I'm going to just go ahead and export this to, click on the Export tab, straight to RefWorks. So this is the program that you can use to organize your references and retrieve them easily and create a bibliography when you're ready. So you can just click Save, and you want to click the first tab. And you do have to sign up for RefWorks, and you can do that pretty easily. So I've already signed up and logged in, so it just took me right to my account. If you haven't used it before, you will have to sign up. So you can just click you see the one reference imported here, so you know that your reference got imported, and you just click View Last Imported Folder, and it's going to take you to, here's your reference. So this is the same article we just saw. If you want some features about this, you can create a new folder to organize it. So we can say here it was for the ePortfolio, create, and then here we have the ePortfolio tab. So we can select your reference, send it to the ePortfolio folder, and then you have it here under the folder that you want. And to create, say we wanted to create a bibliography for our references for the ePortfolio. So we can go to Organize and Share Folders, click on the ePortfolio folder tab, and then create bibliography. Of course, you want to choose the APA 6th edition, So your references will come out just the way you want them, in the edition that you want. Thank you for listening.